Managing rental properties can be a rewarding investment, but it also comes with plenty of daily responsibilities, from finding tenants to collecting rent and handling maintenance. For independent landlords and small scale property owners, juggling these tasks without a full time team can become overwhelming. That's where Avail steps in. Avail is a property management platform built specifically for do it yourself landlords. It provides an easy to use set of tools that let you screen tenants, manage leases, collect rent online, track maintenance, and even market your property, all from a single dashboard. It's affordable, intuitive, and tailored to landlords who manage one unit or an entire portfolio. In this video, we'll walk through the key features that make Avail a powerful tool in 2025, explain how each helps simplify property management, and wrap up with why it's a smart choice if you're looking to streamline and professionalize your rental business. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the rental listings and syndication. Avail lets you create polished rental listings with photos, descriptions, and screening requirements. Once your listing is published, it's automatically syndicated to major rental platforms including Zillow, Trulia, Hotpads, and Apartments.com. You can manage leads directly within the Avail dashboard and respond to interested tenants quickly. Instead of posting to multiple sites manually, you save time and increase visibility. More exposure means more inquiries, which improves your chances of filling vacancies faster with qualified tenants. Another key feature is the online applications and tenant screening. Applicants can submit digital rental applications directly through Avail. You can require background checks, credit reports, eviction history, and even income verification. Screening reports are typically ready in minutes and paid for by the applicants themselves. This allows you to make data informed decisions without awkward phone calls or digging through paperwork. With just a few clicks, you can review detailed, legally compliant reports and move forward with confidence. Another key feature is the lease agreements and e-signing. Avail provides state-specific lease templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Once finalized, both you and your tenant can sign electronically from anywhere. Avail also lets you store leases and important documents directly on the platform for easy access. You eliminate printing, mailing, and manual filing. Lease execution becomes quick, professional, and legally sound, especially important if you're managing multiple properties across different states. Another key feature is the online rent collection. Tenants can pay rent, security deposits, or late fees online through Avail using their bank account or credit card. You can set up automatic payments, send reminders, and track payment history in real time. Funds are deposited directly to your account. No more chasing checks or manually tracking payments. Rent collection becomes automated, and the entire process feels more professional for both you and your tenant. You also get a clear digital trail if disputes ever arise. Another key feature is the maintenance requests and communication. Tenants can submit maintenance requests with photos and detailed notes. You can track issues, assign vendors, and message tenants within the app. All updates and messages are recorded in a time-stamped log for reference. Everything is documented, which helps reduce misunderstandings and speeds up response times. Tenants feel heard, and you stay on top of property upkeep without digging through text threads or emails. So, why is Avail a great choice in 2025? What makes Avail stand out is how purpose built it is for the independent landlord. It doesn't overwhelm you with features designed for massive property management firms. Instead, it gives you exactly what you need: efficient, user friendly tools for listing, screening, leasing, and managing your rentals from anywhere. In 2025, Avail remains one of the few platforms that keeps everything under one roof. You don't have to switch between rental sites, lease document tools, banking apps, and email threads. It's all centralized, and much of it can be automated, saving you time and reducing stress. For landlords with just one or two units, Avail's basic features are even available for free. If you need more advanced tools like next day rent payouts, custom applications, or priority support, the Paid Plus plan is reasonably priced. This flexibility makes it accessible whether you're just getting started or managing a growing portfolio. Avail also stays up to date with legal changes across different states, especially regarding lease language and screening practices. So, if you're a landlord looking to simplify and elevate the way you manage rentals, Avail is one of the most practical tools out there. It helps you market vacancies faster, screen tenants more thoroughly, sign leases without printing, collect rent reliably, and stay on top of maintenance, all from your phone or laptop. Whether you're managing a single condo, a duplex, or a handful of properties, Avail gives you the tools to run your business more smoothly and professionally, without the need for a full-time manager or complex software. So try it out and experience the difference that one streamlined platform can make in your property management workflow. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.